You can see this is sewage from the GPPDA office. If you can clearly see, this is their building here. This is their building. I had come here because we're checking some inward, and this is all the sewage, guys. You can see that this is from the own GPPDA office. Just see. See, if you don't believe me, here, see. See, North Goa. See, this is their office, and this is the drain. You can see for yourself. See here. See here. Sewage being left outside. Sewage being left. I mean, the residents over here are having so much of problem and so much of mosquitoes, and this is a full kind of a dengue, malaria kind of an effect. And if you can see, this is just one part of it. Let's cross the road and see. This is all coming through here also. So I'll just show you guys. It's walking past through. You can see for yourself.
Contrary to the planning,
Just see here.
whatever is
See here.
working properly, also they are spoiling.
See here. This is just outside GPPDA. I mean, when you're talking about Greater Panjim development, this is basic facility that has to be provided is sanitation. And if this is not proper, I'm sure the residents who reside over here in this particular area must be facing a lot of mosquito issue. And I'm sure malaria, dengue will be on a high rise with this kind of thing. And it is not even rainy season, it's summer. And you can see the amount of water that's coming. You can clearly see it's STP water. It's like sewage water. It's not even the drain of rain water, something which is going through. And this same water, if you can see, it goes down straight into the creek. See here. The creek is over here. And that's why if you can see, the color of the creek also is always black. So guys, this is for you all to see. This is GPPDA. And they're planning for an Imagine Greater Panjim, stuff like that. If basic development is not there, I mean, I don't know what else to say. And the chairperson is Mr. Montserrat. So this is, you can see. Right now, their own person, that is the deputy member secretary, is not keeping well and is not there. So people who are coming to GPPDA, please note that this 2-3 days they won't be taking in anyone inside in the office. This is just for your reference, okay? Because they have done a full sanitization of the place, and this is for your information. Just see for yourself, guys. This is just outside GPPDA. So we had come to the office over here to check on our inward, where we are following up on a land filling case for the last 2 months. I did an inward on 16th of February regarding Jilale Morod land filling, and from there it has gone to 4 departments. Now I'm following up on my inward right from 16th February. Then it went to the planning department, TCP office over here in Panjim. From there it's gone to the Tiswadi department of PDA, and now I think so it's Tiswadi office of TCP, right? Yes. Tiswadi office of TCP. From there the inward has come in over here to the chairperson of PDA. So now they've checked it. Now because of COVID, the main person, the member secretary, is not available, and now the AE is also on leave. So cases. So 2 months, and the land is going on getting filled. So in spite of doing a flying squad entry, this is how we reached over here, and we can see their own sewage. This is, I don't know, you can see even a tree growing over here. Can you see a tree? There's a tree growing from the building itself. This is how modern building should be now, with trees and all that, because they are cutting down all the trees, so greens will grow on the tree. This is called a green building. Just see for yourself.